I'm moaning here to myself, like, just like day to day, like survival with money, and for instance, like you get here this packets of fruit. So it's a banana, apple, and grapes and whatever. That used to be like $15, and then it became like $20, $25, $30, $35, $40, I mean a month. Like, it's just like you get like bullshitted. You see it like it's this price everywhere, but then you just accept it, You can't do a simple thing on the internet. You can't take a JPEG image and convert it to a PNG image, like for free, like without people selling everything. All your information, get bombarded by ads, So, and I mean, like you give away concepts, your images, so it's a lot of fun to find things that's hidden and false. I enjoy it like very much. And why people would do that, like hide it. It's me, like a mystery. And I saw this baby things, baby tapirs. Like, I never knew these things yesterday. They're so cute. And like people can kill them. It's ridiculous.